Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Reef right now. Just once again, thank you very much for all the nice comments. I appreciate all the really good feedback on these videos. It's really good. I do love to see it, and we're building a really good community here, guys, and I'm really pleased with the progress so far. And every single one of your comments I try and reply to and get involved with you. And hopefully moving forward, the guys that have been with me from the start, and I do take note of who you are, that can continue to stay with me. And thanks a lot for the support, okay? And keep doing what you do. Keep sharing is caring. Keep sharing those videos on social media and dragging more people into the channel. I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much, guys. Cheers. So diving into Reef right now, we actually look quite bullish at the moment, guys. Okay, I know we've had this big correction and we've tested these levels of support. We've basically got a double bottom here, which we was targeting on the channel, and I did say to you, if we get that is really, really good. And right now, what is good at the moment, I know we're still down and we're down there, being pushed down in a downtrend, but we've got a couple of things on our side at the moment, guys, and that is the MACD. Obviously you got the bullish cross there, okay? The RSI is pushing up into the mid-level, okay? So you can see when it pushes up into that mid-level, it's got much further to grow, okay? It could continue going up here, which will again push the price up. So what we need to see here is a test of positivity for Reef. Is you do need to see us push on now. You potentially see a rollover and a back test of this support, because if you look at the EMA here, it's starting to curl, okay? I know we did push up there and get through it and got rejected, so you do need to keep an eye on that, guys, because you may see us come back down and form a triple bottom, which again is really bullish, okay? It's just a reversal test of support, and you may see us come back down. You may see us come back down and test one of these bottoms. But you know what, if we don't, guys, if we continue, I'm going to show you a really nice target now, okay, that you'll like. So basically, what you need to do in this double bottom, okay, you need to come down, test one bottom, come back down, test the other bottom. And what it is, when it starts to break up, okay, and push up and march on, you do back test these levels of support in the 4 hour, but you have a trend line, okay? So what you'll do, you'll form a trend line which will act as a level of resistance on this bottom. So basically you drop a trend line in like that, so that becomes a trend line, i.e. a neckline of this pattern here, guys, okay? So watch this. This is a double bottom. It's called a double bottom M pattern, okay? So if we can form that pattern now, okay, and the price action marches on, okay, and we get through these EMAs and we back test that as resistance and then break through, we have a really nice target, guys, okay, which is up here, which I've already targeted. We have this really nice target off this double bottom, which is there, look, see that? Boom. So that'd be really nice, because you could see a big pump for Reef. If we can get through these EMAs, if we can push up to this trend line, I'll drop the target in there for that neckline of that double M bottom, guys, because it's basically the same as a double top, guys. So what I'll do, I'll reverse the chart for you now so you can see. So it's basically a double top, okay? You go up, then you make another top, you're sort of running out of steam, and then you fall through the resistance, you fall through the support, and you have that target down there. So effectively you're looking at a repeat of that. Potentially, failing that, what you could see is a larger inverse head and shoulders, okay? So that is another target, which would be the same target, okay? Because what you could see, if we don't form this double bottom and we do start to form a triple bottom, okay, you may see something like this, guys, for Reef, where we get this sort of trading going on, where we go up, okay, we seem to be doing well, but we do get kind of rejected, okay? We probably test this support line, this resistance line, okay, which is a neckline of this double bottom, or possibly inverse head and shoulders pattern, where it comes back down like that, fails to get any lower than that, okay? So basically the bears are running out of steam, comes back down, back test one of these bottoms here, potentially this bottom, because it'll be the same as that, and then push on and then break through, and your target's exactly the same because it's the same as a neckline. So you're either looking at a double bottom or a triple bottom, which will give us the inverse head and shoulders pattern on the 4 hourly time frame, guys. Either way, we are geared up for a bit of a push up for Reef, hopefully. If we was to lose this bottom, so basically if you was to get any lower now, break down and get any lower than that, then you are looking at a basically a reversal trend and a downtrend, because you're making higher lows, okay, at the moment in a downtrend. So basically you do that low there, low there, low there, and you probably go up and test some kind of support and come back down and make another low, so you're caught in a downtrend. So this is what you need to pay attention to, guys, on the 4 hourly. We need to push up, okay, push up, back test this as support, get through this 55 EMA, back test that as some kind of support, and then hopefully break through this resistance here up at 0, 3, 8, okay, and push on, you will see us fall back on it and back test it as support and then march on, you know, in this reversal trend. But what we've got on our side, hopefully, is Bitcoin pushing up now, so hopefully it can push up and break that resistance that it's coming up against, because again, it's all on Bitcoin, guys. If you see Bitcoin tanking, then you know your favorite token's tanking. That's the way it works. Okay, so fingers crossed, guys, that we can get that support now and keep marching on for Reef. Failing that, like I said to you, you could see us break down and test one of these levels of support. As long as we don't lose this now, we're still geared up for a reversal, okay? Because what I said to you, you've got that basic like head and shoulders pattern there. So you've got a shoulder, a head, and then your other shoulder, and obviously your target is this the neckline from the support line there up, and that gives you a target. So hopefully it plays out for us, guys, because we will be looking at 0457 Reef token. And what you could do, if you're not already involved in Reef, just sit and wait for this test of this neckline here, because this neckline is going to be pretty important, guys, okay? Whether or not it's just a double bottom M pattern or you're looking at an inverse head and shoulders, this is really important. So you wait for that retest of this as support when it breaks through, and then you're potentially looking at a 20% trade there on Reef token, you know, or you could basically go for it now if you wanted to. I'm not advising you what to do, guys, but you know, you could be looking at a 30%, 27% trade for Reef. But I would advise that you do wait for these levels to play out and this trade to play out for Reef token. But again, guys, just to clarify that you do need to see not a lower low than this one here that we've painted at 031357. If we to lose that low, then you know, prospectively we are going to keep getting pushed down until we do form a lower bottom there and get that reversal. So that's basically Reef, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video today. Please do continue supporting the channel, and please do continue to share the videos. Sharing is caring. I really do appreciate everything you're saying, guys, about the videos. Thanks a lot. Cheers. I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.